Hello everyone, this is Code Laborative again. Back at you. So last time we left off with this cool login screen. However, when you click play, up here in the top left corner, you'll see it does not go to how we want, what we want, any of that. Did it not play? Build succeeded. Where'd it go? Ah, here we go. If you hit Command 3 or 4, Command 3, 4, changes all the sizes, 1, 2, makes them all bigger. So if you know what you're doing, which you should because this is not a beginner tutorial, go ahead and add all your constraints, make this thing look nice, or make yours look nice. Until then, I'm going to do it myself and show you how. So what we want to do is take this guy, and we're going to pin it from the top, left and right, and let's give it a height, because if you give it a height, then it'll be good. But you don't want to give it a width because you don't know how big it really will be. Ooh, lots of red. Let's see. I'm sure it's okay. This guy now we want. So let's give it some names so we can understand what's going on. You do that in identity, I think. This is where I do it. I'm sure there's something else for it, but I'm gonna call it top bar, green bar, so I know really what it's called. You know what? Let's not let's follow protocol. Do it like that. A lower camel case they call it, I believe. View. Let's remove it. Guess not. Anyway, so we're taking this big guy. Oh, see, that's the problem. Let me take. Who has constraints? That one has a constraint. This one, let's just pin everywhere. Boom, boom. Not constraint to margins, and let's hit it with zeros. So you want to make sure everything's zero. They're all highlighted red. Add those 4 constraints, and I mean, I don't think we should have to do anything. Let's play it and see. I think the green and the brown should be good. I don't know why I was. Oh, wait. So I guess there's no way to know if the green or the brown is just good, because yeah, we have nothing to reference it. So let's do this guy. Let's horizontally center him in the container, so that way, and then we're gonna pin him to the top, and let's give him a height. That's the important piece, and a width. Maybe, yes. Yeah, let's give him a width and constrain and see what happens. This guy, same thing. We're going to pin him to the top, which we're pinning to his view now. We're pinning him actually to, I believe, this little green bar here. And let's give him a height and give him a width. Do that. And see, he's red because we're missing something. So I've learned it's best to do horizontally. Boom. So auto layout can be very difficult. It can be very easy. I think it's easy if you just want it all in the middle like this and to look good on all the screens. That's typically not that hard. But to really master it and put something over here and make it look good, it can get crazy. I haven't gotten there, but look, login looks good, and hello and welcome looks good. I almost want to switch the two, I feel like. Does our hello welcome look funny? It does, huh? Does it need to be bigger? Let's find out. Give me. There we go. And oh yeah, let's do that. So, I'm going to click here. Since I changed the height, we need to change these constraints now. You can see it says plus 26. So I guess I increased it by 26. I think I really increased it by 13. But if you know the answer to that, ping me. I'd love to know. So I'm going to delete it. Now, let's see. Now it wants that height. So now I can go in here to the pinning thing, I think it's called. Hit height 59. I'm going to say boom. What I have red. What's going on? Height. Oh, I have a height equal in 33. So I'm going to highlight it on the left-hand side, if you can see here, in this middle bar, which is turned on and off by this little guy in the left corner. Height 33, deleted. Now you should be happy. Now we have a width. We have a height. You should be, horizontally centered already. Yeah, we have that. Oh, see, I think I have 2 of them here now. Let's see. See, this is where it gets kind of tricky. Yep, already got 2. So let's get rid of one of them. Let's get rid of this bottom one. I don't know if there's a difference. This is why you can't follow me. The goal is really to beat me. Can you code and get your screen looking better than me, faster than me? That's the goal. And that's the race. It's on. Let's see. What was it? So this guy. We did the height. Oh, let's give him the top constraint, right? So we're saying that. Now he's happy. Now it's all freaking happy. Okay, now we're going to do this view. Shoot, why not? Let's give him a, you know what? Let's not do any of that. Let's instead give it a height and a width. 2 constraints. Center it. Boom. Center it again. Double boom. Because I knew I had it in the middle. So now I should be able to hit play. It should look pretty good. The stuff in the middle here might not be there. Might still need to be a little tidied up, but let's find out. Wow. That looks pretty good, and I didn't do anything to these middle ones. So there's a cool way to check out and see if it's going to work on all the other screens really easily. And that's by clicking up here, this assistant editor, where it'll bring up 2 things. I'm going to scroll, get that guy out of there. And go to automatic. You see that? See right up here? Click automatic, go to preview. And boom, we can have a 4-inch. We can flip it over. See, that doesn't look good. That's broken. Test, figure out how to fix it. Haha. I'm the teacher. I can make you do that now. Make sure yours works that way. Don't leave it like me. How do I add more to it? Oh, at the bottom here, there's a way to add more. Let's see what it looks like on an iPhone 6. Oh, still looks good. Still fails. That's cool. How about on a cruddy phone? Oh, there he is. I'm not gonna worry about it if I have any of those users, because I'm going after kind of more high-end people. Let's see. On an iPad, what we got? Oh, here we go. And yeah, it needs some work. There's some cool ways you can do it by jumping into here and then selecting all these class sizes, and that will be an option. Okay, good. I hope I didn't just mess it up. That'll be an option if you in the polls if you want to see that. Whoa. I don't know what I just did. Cool. So again, if you want to learn the way I learned from Mark Price. He's awesome. I just want to keep putting that out there because so far best course I've had and seen. Also Ray Wunderlich is pretty cool. I got some great help from there. But again, all of these tutorials I found didn't do exactly what I wanted. So that's why I'm starting my own. Because I wanted to see this. And if I do, I'm hoping someone else did too. So, and supposedly the best way to do it is to learn. Okay. Now I'm going to also quickly do an image view. What you're going to see is like, what? What's going on here? Well, I'm going to drop it in here. Because I want this thing to look cool, right? I've been making my app for quite some time now, and it's been a pain. Boom. I'm gonna Command D that guy. Make a second one. I've started over probably 10 times now, and it's just not been fun. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a local icon in there. So I found this website, icons8.com. By doing a Google search, I'll even show you. Let's figure it out. I'll show you the very beginning, like I found, because I did free iOS icons, and searched it, and okay, I have to search it, I guess. There we go. Boom, iOS 9 icon pack thing. It says all free. So, woo. Hopefully it's free. I guess they have questions. And I typed in password. Boom. Now they didn't show up red for me. I actually went down and there's a color picker, so I changed it all to red because I'm kind of going with a little hint of red in my theme. Oh, dark. No. Ooh. No, I'm gonna go with that one. Yeah. So you can do that in this color picker thing. I picked out a name field one and a key, and you just click on it. You can download it. It'll ask you to create an account. You gotta create the account, but then it downloads it. Boom. Cool. Now, to add them, you have to click on your assets folder, and in here, you gotta do some stuff. So you gotta get it, and you're gonna look for this middle column here, and that's where you're gonna end up putting everything. Now, to do this and pull this thing up, Command space. I'm gonna search for downloads because I know I have downloads somewhere. Downloads. Cool. So got all these downloads. I'm gonna pull them all because I liked them all. Let's see what we found. Oh, another cool one was Busybody. He did a parse thing that really helped a lot. But once again, it's outdated and doesn't do exactly what I want. So that's why I'm here. So I threw them all into here, copy pasted them over. Now you can go back to main storyboard. Click on image. Come on, you know how to do this. You know how to make yours. You should be making it faster. You should already be done with this. It's the little things that make it kind of cool. Image. Boom. Click here, and I'm going to go context. That one looks whatever. Name field. All right, let's try that. Let's do name field. I'm going to put it over here. This guy. Oh, Command Z to undo things. It's a good and bad thing. Click this guy, go image, and I'm gonna go key field. Ooh, ugly. Lock. Yeah, I guess the lock is better. Is there a way to center it though? It looks funny and I don't know why. Okay, maybe I'll just do a different one. Key. Alright, I'll do that one. I don't really like it. I don't really like any of them, but I'm going to make them really tiny here. And now there's a way to, ideally, I would like them on this side, but I don't know how to do that. And really, these should probably be the black ones. I don't think I need... maybe I'll do that instead. Maybe instead, what if I changed up the font to Funky Bread? I don't like it. I don't like it at all. This sucks. How about this? Ooh, no good, no good. How about, man. Well, if you don't know what to do on yours, or you have suggestions for mine, put them in the forum comment. You're gonna like it. I'll take it. Could be better, could be worse. I'm gonna click on this now, and I'm gonna hit Shift and move it over. Boom. It just looks a little. It just looks out of place. The key without it. Maybe a key filled. I don't like border on one and not on the other. But I don't have a let's try a different contact. Let's try name field. Let's try contacts. That looks so much better with the black and matching and everything. Now, also, if yours is looking funny in the view scale to fit, it probably should be aspect fit or aspect fill. You know, it's so small, it doesn't really matter. Just leave it scale, whatever default it is. But let's go back to that iOS thingy. See, can't move fast. I let it. What I forget what I even. There we go. Here it is. See, this is where I picked up the first guy. It's just right there. It was so cool, so nice. Oh, a little less. Depends how much style you want, how much you don't. There's not like a cool password on this one. Password. Let's go colors. None of it looks good. Why is this? Whatever. Oh, and it looks like you can even put in your own custom color, so you can get it to match exactly perfect. That's cool. Let's try that key. I'll download him. What? Link required. See, I don't know if you're... I'm so confused. Maybe this site isn't allowed? I don't know. I guess not. Maybe not. I'm not submitting this to the App Store, though. I'm just showing you guys how to put an icon in it. So hopefully I don't get in trouble. Let's go very, very basic lock. Alright, so... Oh, see? That's not what I wanted. I'm going to go here, go to my assets. Again. Okay, so... Downloads to my name, because my computer's set up. Boom, here they are. I know there's other ways to do this. Probably more professional ones, but oh well. Main storyboard. And if you want to skip ahead or you finish, great, move on to the next one. What we need to do is also set up all the sign up and login and all the code too. That's exciting though. So let's change him. Lock. I could do that. He'd have to be smaller, the guy. Or password? Like that. No, I really don't. I really don't. Let's go with the lock. It's simple. I think there's another lock that I picked. Locked 2, key filled, key 50. Nope. Nope, no, no. Okay, I'm gonna make it a bit bigger though. Oh, that was not good. You know what? Let's do an aspect fill. Yeah. Nope. Nope. I'm gonna hit Command Z, and I'm just gonna stretch it out. Perfect. Now, to make sure, oh, let's make him a tiny bit. And if you want to see what size this guy is, you can click on the ruler. Let's make him. All right. Cool. I like this. I'm liking this a lot. Make sure they're centered. Now, real quickly, let's just make sure it all works by hitting play. You can see it takes forever, this stuff. It's so tedious. But if you just do it, get it done with, it'll look cool, man. It'll look cool. What happened? Oh, there we go. Voila, everything's good. I think it'd be really cool if we actually bolded these up a little bit. By type, Command Z, because we don't want that. If we hit this, oh, here we go. Oh, regular. That's a bummer. Seems like there's only regular available. Yeah, that's weird. Okay, well, some things you're limited on, some things you aren't. Just to be safe though, I am gonna top like do 3 things like that. Make sure it stays with a height. Bam. This guy, same thing. Hit it to the top, hit it to the sides. Make sure it has a height. Bam. And actually, both of these, I do want to make sure they have widths. No, I don't need the width because I said the constraints on the side. This guy, let's do those 2 positions and a height. I think he should be okay. Seems yellow, but that's okay. Let's say to the top and to the right. Let's keep it a height, keep it a width. And you know what? Oh, did we get a red? We did. What doesn't it like? I don't know. Let's open up the side. What's it saying? Oh, the height. This guy needs something. Oh, because it's going to that. Okay, let's no. Mister, we don't want you there. We want you. Instead, we're gonna hit the bottom because it was doing a margin to the lock, I believe, and I don't want that. So I'm gonna add it to the bottom, which should mathematically come out to be about the same, and play. Now, the only 2 things we didn't do are those, but it all should look good either way. Oh, it looks really good. And oh, that's on my screen though. Where's the? Here we go. Cool. Last thing. Top and to the right. Fixed height and width. Top and to the right. Fixed height and width. Add 4 constraints. Cool. All right, guys. One last final play. Looks good, and that's how I built it. So to see actually what I was trying to build, didn't come out quite the same at all, but this is kind of what gave me the inspiration. Is this guy here, which you see has a cool activity. I don't even know how to do that. I could learn. I know, like I kind of do. Got it from Graphic Design Junction. They had like a bunch of cool other ones. 32 modern app sign in. It's kind of funny when I found it. There's a whole bunch, but I like this one, so I was trying to make it. Came out different, a little darker, a little lighter. This one looks like an actual designer made it. Modern. This looks like collaborative. If you want to learn how to do some of these other things, let me know in the comments, and I'll go ahead and add them to the app. That's kind of what the app's about, is adding things to it. Um, so until then, that's it. Oh, also, I don't know who made this or what they did. You know, they have a source thing, and I click it, and it just goes right to dribble land of being gone and stuff. And then a quick Google search, unfortunately, provided the same thing. You know, like search for this Google image thing. I don't know actually how to do Google image searches, but when I saw that, it still didn't come. So, bummer. But you know, whoever you are, cool design. I tried making it, but it didn't work. So that's my app here, and next we will be making. Fortunately, we got to repeat this process and make a couple other screens, as well as hook up parse and all that. But we're getting there. This is really cool. Really cool. See you guys later.